The Fieldpiece DR82 HVAC Leak Sniffer is like a bloodhound for refrigerant leaks, sniffing out even the tiniest escapees. This tool is a must-have for HVAC technicians, as it offers ultra-sensitive detection. It catches leaks that others miss, and it does so quickly. The large, backlit LCD screen is a real lifesaver. 2. It makes reading results simple, even in dimly lit basements or attics. Furthermore, its lightweight design means less strain during long workdays. Thus, the Fieldpiece DR82 HVAC Leak Sniffer truly makes leak detection less of a chore and more of a breeze. Moreover, the Fieldpiece DR82 HVAC Leak Sniffer boasts incredible precision. It can detect a leak rate of 0.03 ounces per year, which is incredibly small. Imagine a single drop of water spreading over an entire football field. That's how tiny of a leak this device can find. Therefore, this level of sensitivity ensures thorough repairs, and it prevents costly refrigerant loss. Consequently, this helps protect the environment. Also, its rugged construction means it withstands the rigors of daily use. Hence, it's a durable companion for any HVAC professional. In short, this sniffer is a valuable investment for any HVAC business. Finally, using the Fieldpiece DR82 HVAC Leak Sniffer is remarkably straightforward. It powers on quickly, and it is ready to detect in seconds. The intuitive controls mean less time fumbling with buttons. Furthermore, its audible and visual indicators alert you to leaks immediately, so you can pinpoint the source without delay. This efficiency saves time and money on every service call. Overall, the Fieldpiece DR82 HVAC Leak Sniffer stands out as a top-tier tool. It delivers consistent, reliable performance, and it simplifies a complex task. Ultimately, it empowers technicians to do their job better. Pros: finds leaks quickly, saves a lot of time, comes with extra tips, picks up small leaks, good. Build quality, works great, found small evap coil leak, found 410A system leak, accurate. Finds R410A leaks. Cons: product was shipped to me damaged, product could not pick up a leak, tested on a refrigerant bottle and no luck, returned the item, not worth a damn for R22 features. Infrared sensing technology, ultra-sensitive leak detection, large backlit LCD screen, lightweight HVAC tool, detects refrigerants, audible and visual alerts. Fast response time, rugged, durable design, long-lasting battery, easy-to-use interface. The Fieldpiece DR82 is a super sensitive tool for finding refrigerant leaks. It uses special infrared technology to sniff out even tiny leaks quickly. This tool is light and has a big screen that lights up, so it's easy to see and use. When it finds a leak, it lets you know with sounds and lights. It's built tough, has a long-lasting battery, and is simple for anyone to operate. The Fieldpiece DR82 Infrared Refrigerant Leak Detector is a lightweight HVAC tool designed to quickly find refrigerant leaks. It features an ultra-sensitive leak sniffer and a large, backlit LCD screen. Users have reported that it saves time, picks up small leaks, and has good build quality, successfully finding leaks in evap coils and R410A systems. However, some users have received damaged products or found it ineffective for R22 refrigerant, with one user unable to detect leaks even on a refrigerant bottle.